for today. So yesterday we put in a proper engulfing bar on the daily, opened pretty close to its high and closed on its low, and that is a second signal, and that's off a level. The level is a 150 EMA. You can see there's a piercing, came back to try and break through that level again, and pretty much that's our area there, and failed. That in itself is a fairly bearish signal. Okay, we do have a moving average crossover here, oscillators all over the place in the daily, but I'm not going to read too much into that at the moment. From price action at the moment, we've put in a potential double top, and if you're trading this on a smaller time frame, you'd be waiting for a break of this bar, which would be a short, and your stop would be up there. So that's 1,490 points, I suppose. It's not what we want to do. So we'll look for a better entry. So there you can see on the 3 hour, we've got a nice potential double top in play. There is our neckline for that double top. Okay, we have a number of gaps to the downside. So that's 44,641 is the neckline. What we're waiting for, and I'm just going to use this level here, is this level here. Okay, so this is the area that I'm pretty much paying attention to. You can see we use it as support here, use it as resistance here. So the question is, what's going to happen at 46,250? If we find support here, okay, so in other words, we get to this level and we see some structure on the lower time frames and we start moving back the upside, I'm not going to chase that long just because of what's happened yesterday. There's a fairly bearish move, 2-3 hour bars like that. So I'll basically wait and see what happens. If we get through this level, so in other words, if we gap below this level, which is highly likely at the moment, futures markets are down in the US 0.6, 0.7%, and Rand dollar 18.44, slightly weaker, and then the other one is 10 cent, which is down 1% at the moment. So it does look like we're going to get a gap down. Whether we get, let's see, what did we get yesterday? We got a 400 point yesterday. A similar kind of structure at the moment. So I would anticipate if we do get another 400 point down, that gap's below this level. Okay, so one of two things are going to play out. We're either going to gap onto this level, find support and rally. Then I'm looking for a lower high. Okay, and we'll pick that up on a lower time frame. But a Fibonacci or a level, there may be a different level that I need to pay attention to on the hour. If we get below this, I'll be watching a retest of this level. If that retest is successful, I get a pin bar or an inside bar or some kind of price action off this level. That would be my short entry, stop above structure, and I'm looking for the neckline at the bottom here. So basically, I'm looking for this area here of 44,641. Okay, let's just get this out on the 1 hour. So a break below, pullback, find support here and down. The other level I do see is this one here. Okay, so you can see rejection, rejection, support, rejection, support, and then rejection yesterday. Okay, so that would definitely be an area that I'll be paying attention to. I just want to get down to 15 just to see if there's some fractals. Okay, so we do have fractals here. So we can put that up there. You can see what level it's finding. So that is my stop area, 46,762 at this stage. Okay, so what I'd be waiting for normally, let's use this level, would be a break of, first it would be a break of that fractal, then the minute this fractal was printed, would have been a break of this fractal, then this fractal would have been, those were the two levels that I'd be looking for. You see my range, expecting price to break through that. So in a normal scenario, I'd be waiting for a break of that, retest. That would give me my short entry with a stop up there, which is a 330 point stop loss. Okay, so that's kind of the structure that I'm looking for on the lower time frames. I think we're going to get a gap down. So we do get a gap down. This is a bit of a cup and handles breaking through this area here. Alternatively, what you also can see here is strong move down, consolidation, a break of that is going to give me a measured move. That measured move takes me all the way down to this area here of 45,500, which is this inside bar here. 45,525 is the take profit area. You can see how we rejected it there. A lot of interaction at this area here. Okay, so that would be my target area. Okay, so ultimately I'm looking for a retest of 46,500. Okay, retest of 46,500 will get me short, and I'll be aiming for this area here of 45,500. So that is a 1,000-point trade that is on offer based on the structure that we have at the moment. And that's off the 15 minutes. So looking at the hour, that would probably make a bit of sense as well. Okay, last thing I want to look at is what kind of fib level is this. Okay, that would be through the 61.8, so I would pay attention to that, and I see why. I'll delete it now. Here, show you now. So there is your first take profit area right there. Okay, also the 150 EMAs here. So your first take profit area is 45,787, and then you want to leave a runner for 45,525. For me, I'll take full profit here, 45,787. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's my Aussie plan for today. Should get a gap down. I want to see a nice retest of this area. If we get that, that gives me an opportunity to be short with a stop above the swing high here and play the measured move. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.